guys, this is Lori at TMI Gifts. This awesome patriotic bow here is from the bow class that we're going to have May the 4th at the store at TMI Gifts. Nicole from Looking Glass Boutiques is going to come and do a class May the 4th. It's at 2:30. She says it's only going to take about 45 minutes to an hour to make this bow. It's $25 for the class. You can get on tmigifts.com and purchase the class now. It is filling up. But look at this bow in so many different ways that you can use it. Here I put it at the end of the banister, but I will tell you, she's gonna, when you get your instructions on how to make this bow, you're gonna be able to make it larger, smaller, or you're gonna get this bow, you're gonna make it, and you can carry it home and make several of them to go in 2 or 3 different spots. So you not only get the instructions on how to make this bow and this bow to carry home with you, you're gonna be able to make more as you go home. So if you're interested in taking this class, check it out, tmigifts.com. This class is May the 4th. It's $25 for the class, so y'all purchase the class. Also want to tell you about our app. TMI Gifts has an app. It's a wonderful tool to use. So download the app. You can set up all your information. We do not have it for Android users right now, but if you have an iPhone, set up the app, TMI Gifts app, and it's an easy way to shop. You can find everything on there, and then it just allows you to go to check out. So easy. So get the app.